Imagine starting your day with a refreshing, zesty boost of health. A simple yet potent drink, lemon water, awaits your discovery. This citrus-infused beverage is not just a feast for the taste buds with its tangy flavor, but also an olfactory delight thanks to its invigorating aroma. Over recent years, lemon water has seen a surge in popularity among health enthusiasts, and it's not hard to see why. This humble drink, with its bright, sun-kissed hue, is a powerhouse of health benefits, all packed into one delightful sip. The versatility of lemon water is another feather in its cap. Whether you prefer it icy cold on a hot summer day or warm and comforting when winter winds blow, lemon water adapts to your needs, never failing to refresh and rejuvenate. With just a squeeze of lemon, turn your regular water into a rejuvenating elixir. Creating lemon water is an art as simple as it is rewarding. It's all about the fusion of pure water and fresh organic lemons. Let's dive into the process. Start by selecting a ripe lemon. Firm yet slightly giving to the touch, a perfect lemon is your ticket to a refreshing drink. Have it, then squeeze it into a glass of water. You'll notice the water taking on a light hue, a sign of its new citrusy character. Now here's a quick tip. To extract maximum juice, roll your lemon on a hard surface before cutting. It helps to loosen the pulp. Fancy a twist? Try adding herbs like mint or basil, or sweeten it with a dash of honey. Each addition lends a unique flavor profile, making your lemon water a personalized health elixir. And there you have it, a glass of lemon water ready to refresh and rejuvenate you. The beauty of lemon water lies not just in its refreshing taste, but also in its myriad health benefits. This zesty beverage packs a flavorful punch of hydration, keeping you energized throughout the day. As a rich source of vitamin C, it bolsters your immune system, building a robust defense against infections. The citric acid within lemons stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in digestion and relieving bloating. Acting as a gentle detoxifier, lemon water helps flush out toxins, supporting liver function and promoting clear, radiant skin. Drinking lemon water before meals can also curb appetite and promote feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management. Its antibacterial properties freshen breath, while its alkalizing effect balances pH levels in the body. The antioxidants within, particularly vitamin C, reduce inflammation, and the invigorating scent of lemon uplifts mood and reduces stress. Remember, for optimal benefits, always opt for fresh, organic lemons. And as always, consult your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Here's to your health and well-being with lemon water.